Okay, so it's for the Oaf1 I Love Your Girl vocal preset. So I just put the instrumental now. Now with the 2 layers I put on the prod. And now it's the original, now just the prod, and now with the voice. So now it's the original. Okay, I will not show the vocal preset now. The vocal preset is in the description, but there is 2 layers. For the first layer, you need to, you need to put the first insert just in the second, and the second in the master, and the third is just in the master.